Good morning, friends. We're gonna hit us a local hole today. We're over here in Soddy Daisy. We came to the fishing pier, and we're gonna go fish down this pier a little bit, and maybe hit some other holes over here near the bridges and stuff, and see what we can come up with today. Okay? Let's see if we catch a pig. Okay? All right. Let's do that.
Got a red ear.
Red ear?
Little red ear. Little red ear. I will go out this way. Okay. Because you're going to steal my spot. I know you're going to. You always do. Because you hate me. I was going over there. JK. Going right here. Yep. The water must be pretty warm because they're warm and it's very gross.
Yeah. I don't like that feeling.
No. Thanks, friend. Bye. I'm in trouble. Oh, it came off. Huge bass. Yeah. Huge.
Break you off?
Yeah, he broke me off. Ugh. I'm so angry.
It happens, okay?
Oh, he was big. Oh. Little bluegill. Oh, nope, red ear. My bad. Ha! And I dropped my fishing rod.
Let's just say what kind of fish it is.
It's a red ear.
Are you sure? Let me look at it. Let me see. That's one of them old small tooth piranhas.
Go fish. You moron. Little red ear. Just a little tiny ploop.
Well, friends, we're gonna make one more stop. We're over here at Blythe Ferry boat dock. This will be our last stop for this trip because we got a screw in our tire and we're gonna have to go get it fixed. But we're gonna try to catch a fish first because it ain't leaking. It'll be all right. Okay? I'm gonna go fish.
Mr. Blue Heron! Do you remember me, Mr. Blue Heron? He acted like he remembered me. He talked to me. I think he's talking to somebody else over there. Yeah, honey. I think that's him. Look at him. Come here, buddy. He seen me catch one. Immediately came over here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. grab it. Somebody wrote, fluff off. That's just rude. I speak dog. I know what that means. What is that? Oh, it's a snake. Cool. There's a snake. Right over here in the water. Are you kidding me? I had a fish. Oh, I have a fish. Oh, I had a fish. Son of a... Anger. Don't scare off the blue heron. You're gonna scare him? Oh, you son of a biscuit. I'm angry. I'm so angry. Come here. I got you a little one. Does that count? It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come on. Sorry it took so long. Oh no. Dang. Right here. Come here. I caught this and a bass come up. Got you one, Mr. Blue Heron. Come here. Well, I wasn't filming because I'm almost out of memory, but got a little striper here. My friend wants him too. This is the last one. I'm going home. He's a little big, ain't he? Oh, guess not.
Well, that's going to do it for this video. Mando caught some fish as usual. I walked away skunked this time. But stay tuned for next weekend. We're going to go to Lake Lanier, and hopefully that'll be a good trip. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll catch something. I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, y'all have a good one, and remember, God loves you, and so do we.
Is that it?
That's it.
So one could say that the video is officially over.
You and your dad jokes.
Mr. Blue Heron, I got you a bird. Or fish. You are a bird. I'm an idiot.